Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to open command prompt on your computer, if it's opening for few seconds and it's closing, or when you open Windows terminal as an administrator, and when you open command prompt from Windows terminal, and if you're receiving this error code which says process exited with code 1. So if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now I have seen this error message when you have Anaconda Python installed in your computer. So, or if you have uninstalled, even after you uninstall Anaconda Python software, still you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, to fix this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy it and then open a running PowerShell. So, just type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. You can even open Anaconda PowerShell prompt, or you can open normal Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you're opening it as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now once this is done, restart your computer, and after the restart you can open command prompt and you should not receive any kind of error message. Now even after running this command, still you're receiving the error message. In that case, open Registry Editor. So type in Registry Editor in Windows search box and then click on Registry Editor. Click on yes to allow. Now expand HKey current user. So expand HKey current user. Now expand software. Now expand Microsoft and find command processor. So here you can see command processor. Click on it. And if you have any AutoRun entry, make a right click, then click on delete. Click on yes. Now restart your computer after this. Now after the system restart, you can try opening command prompt and that should go ahead and fix the error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.